In order to reinstall the AF point selection screen on a Canon EOS 350D or similar models, you need to turn the camera upside down with the lens detached. Place a copper contact in the following direction. It has notches cut out of it that fit into the square raised bits on the camera body, as can be seen here. Place the AF screen into the camera in the direction shown. Again, line up the notches to make sure it fits properly. Lastly, place a black plastic hinge into the corresponding notches and push it into place. It should go into place with a definite click, and it should go in easily without any need to force it. If it doesn't, don't force it, you might not have lined it up correctly. Have another look and try again. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe and watch my other videos.